Now we will discuss about the importance of infrastructure. So we know that the importance play an important role in social and economic development of a country, and one by one we will discuss the importance of infrastructure. Okay. So we will here this questions comes in either in 4 marks or in 6 marks questions. If 4 marks question, then you have to write at least 4 points, and if this question comes in 6 marks, then you write at least 5 points. Okay, so one by one we will discuss the importance of infrastructure for the social and economic development of a country. Now number 1 point is facilitates functioning facilitates facilitate functioning of economy. Okay, functioning of economy means the functioning of economy depends on the existence of agricultural facilities. That means there are so many works, so many activities. There are so many works, so many economic and social activities is only depends on the functioning of infrastructure. Okay, and that is why the first question is facilitates functioning of economy. Facilitates functioning of economy means actually infrastructure helps to smoothly functioning or smoothly economic activity of an economy. Like agriculture, industry, service sectors, all these are heavily depends on the improvement or development of infrastructural facilities. Okay, and the growth of these sectors, that means agricultural growth, industrial growth, service sector growth, all these sectors growth is heavily depend on infrastructure, because if we cannot develop or improve the infrastructure, these sectors we cannot improve, because agriculture, industry, service sectors, all these sectors are heavily depend on infrastructure, and these sectors functioning is heavily depend on infrastructures. So if we improve infrastructure, that means if we improve irrigations, if we improve power generation, electricity, telecommunications, all these sectors if we can improve, then these sectors functioning will smoothly, and that is why the first point, facilitates of functioning economy means infrastructure facilitates in functioning of these sectors like agriculture, industry and service sectors. Okay, and that is why the first point said here that infrastructure facilitates functioning of an economy. Functioning means smooth functioning of an economy. If infrastructure develops, infrastructure improved, then all these agriculture, service, industrial sectors can function smoothly. Okay, so this is the first point. Second point is promotes development. Promotes development means infrastructure and economic development go hand in hand. Means that means infrastructure and development, these two things are interrelated. Infrastructure and development. Okay, because if infrastructure developed, infrastructure improved, then automatically our economy will develop. So infrastructure and development will always go hand in hand, because our country will develop when agriculture will develop, our country will develop when industry will develop, our country will develop when service sector will develop. Okay, so all these sectors, agriculture, industry, service sector, all these sectors are depend on the development of infrastructure. So if infrastructure improves, infrastructure developed, then automatically our country will develop. Okay, because agriculture is depend on what? Irrigation. Infrastructure is depends on irrigation. Industry will depend on power, electricity. Okay, electricity, telecommunications. Service sector similarly also depends on agriculture and industry. Okay, service sector depends on agriculture and industry. So if these irrigations, if we can improve irrigations, we can improve power generation, electricity, then automatically these sectors will improve. Agriculture, industry, service sectors will improve. Okay, and that is why if we can develop infrastructure, then automatically our country will develop, because irrigations is related to agriculture, power, electricity, telecommunications, all these are related to industry, and the service sectors is depend on agriculture and industry. So if these sector, if these things, these components we can improve, we can develop, then automatically our country will develop. Our economic development will come forward. Our economic development will reach in a high positions. But if these irrigation, power generation, electricity, if these components we cannot improve, then these components will become a hindrance or a constraint of the development of an economy. If we cannot improve, cannot develop irrigation, power generation, electricity, then these components will become a hindrance or constraint of the development of our economy. Okay, third point is increase productivity. Increase productivity. Okay, how infrastructure related to the increase in productivity? Infrastructure development directly affects the productivity. Infrastructure development directly affects the productivity. How? Because of education and health. Because of education and health. If we can improve education and health, it will increase the efficiency and skill of the workers. Okay, education is a component of infrastructure, health is a component of infrastructure. So if we can improve education and health, then it will increase, it will enhance the efficiency and skill of the workers. Okay, and these workers can improve, can increase the productivity. Okay, the productivity. Now infrastructure contributes to the economic development of a country, both by increasing the productivity of the factors of productions and improving the quality of life. So that means we here we understood that if we can infrastructure not only improves, not only increase the productivity of the country, it will also increase the quality of life of the peoples. Okay, because infrastructure, if we can build up some good infrastructure, then it will increase education, health. Okay, one side it will increase the productivity, because if our persons, our workers get knowledge, skills, then definitely their efficiency will increase and it will increase the productivity. And at the same time, when the productivity will increase, their income will increase, and these increased income will improve their quality of life. Okay, so these are the 3 points we have discussed. In my next video we will discuss the remaining 2 points for your to write the answer of this questions, if these questions comes in 6 marks. Okay, thank you.